Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi R8 car. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic outline, focusing on its overall length and height. Think of it as a long, low rectangle. Next, establish the main body lines and the position of the wheels. Pay attention to the R8's distinctive low profile and wide, aggressive stance. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining accurate proportions throughout your drawing. Now, let's refine the body. Focus on the Audi R8's signature elements, like the prominent side blade behind the doors and the large air intakes. Carefully sketch the distinct shape of the headlights and taillights, ensuring they align with your initial proportions. Outline the windows, doors, and the sleek roofline, paying attention to the subtle curves that define this supercar's aerodynamic form. Moving on to the wheels, draw the circular shapes for the tires and rims, ensuring they are perfectly round and proportionate to the car's body. Add details like the spokes and the brake calipers visible through the wheels. If you wish, lightly sketch any interior elements that might be visible through the windows, such as the seats or dashboard. These small details bring your drawing to life. Finally, it's time for shading and finishing touches. Use varying pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving your Audi R8 a three-dimensional appearance. Pay attention to how light reflects off the car's sleek surfaces, especially on the hood and roof. Add a ground shadow beneath the car to give it weight and anchor it to the page. Review your drawing for any final adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.